hidden an app on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G and now need it back? Don't worry. The process only takes a minute. Samsung's One UI software includes a feature that lets you hide apps from both the home screen and the app drawer without uninstalling them. This is useful for keeping certain apps private while still keeping them installed on your device. When you're ready to access them again, simply follow these steps. Begin by opening the Settings application on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. You can launch it directly from the home screen, find it in the app drawer, or tap the gear icon after pulling down the Quick Settings panel. Inside Settings, scroll through the available options until you see Home Screen. Tap on it to enter the Home Screen customization menu, where Samsung provides several layout and visibility settings. Next, locate the option labeled Hide Apps on Home and App screens. Selecting this option will display two sections. The upper section contains the apps that are currently hidden, while the lower section lists all other installed apps. Find the application you want to restore and tap it once. Depending on your device's software version, the app will either disappear from the hidden apps section or the checkmark beside it will be removed. This action instantly marks the app as visible again. When you're finished, tap Done to save your changes. The app will immediately reappear in your app drawer, and if you choose, you can drag it back to your home screen for faster access. If the app still doesn't appear, use the app drawer search bar to locate it, or restart your phone to refresh the interface. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can quickly unhide any hidden app on your Samsung Galaxy A57 5G and continue using it without reinstalling or changing any other settings.